Aura digital photo frames can connect to the internet through your smartphone's mobile hotspot, enabling photo sharing even without traditional Wi Fi networks. This setup is perfect for temporary living situations, rural areas, or while traveling. Current generation Aura frames, including the Carver, Mason, and Sawyer series, all support mobile hotspot connections. These frames feature enhanced Wi Fi capabilities that work seamlessly with cellular internet. Before starting, ensure you have these requirements: a smartphone with hotspot capability, a mobile data plan with sufficient allowance, and the latest version of the Aura app installed on your device. First, enable the mobile hotspot on your smartphone. Open your phone's settings, navigate to Network and Internet, then select Hotspot and Tethering. Enable the Wi Fi hotspot and give it a recognizable network name that you'll easily identify. Next, connect your Aura frame to the hotspot. Open the Aura app, select your frame, and navigate to Frame Settings. Tap on Wi Fi Network, choose your hotspot from the available networks, and enter the password you set earlier. The connection process creates a direct link between your phone's cellular data and your Aura frame. The frame typically uses about 2 gigabytes of data per month for regular photo sharing and updates. Once connected successfully, your Aura frame will display a confirmation in the app. You'll see indicators showing the connection status, signal strength, and photo synchronization. Your frame is now ready to receive and display photos through your mobile hotspot connection. For optimal performance, keep your frame within 15 to 20 feet of your phone. Consider keeping your phone plugged in for continuous hotspot use and monitor your data usage through your carrier's app to avoid overage charges. Your Aura frame is now successfully connected through your mobile hotspot and ready to receive photos. Family and friends can share memories instantly, regardless of your location or traditional internet availability. For optimal performance, your Aura frame should be positioned within 15 to 20 feet of your mobile hotspot device. Maintaining a clear line of sight between devices ensures the strongest possible connection. Aura frames typically consume between 1 and 3 gigabytes of data per month. Monitor your data usage regularly to avoid unexpected charges, especially if you don't have an unlimited plan. When experiencing connection drops, the most effective solution is to restart both your smartphone and the Aura frame. This simple step resolves most connectivity issues by refreshing the network connection. Slow photo loading typically indicates bandwidth limitations. Signal strength directly affects your connection quality and photo transfer speeds. Use a simple, recognizable hotspot name without special characters, and choose a strong but memorable password. This makes connection setup easier and more reliable. Regularly update both your frame's firmware and your mobile device's software. These updates ensure compatibility and address potential connectivity issues before they occur. For uninterrupted photo sharing, consider using an unlimited or high data mobile plan. This eliminates concerns about data overages and ensures your family memories can be shared without restrictions. Following these optimization and troubleshooting steps will ensure your Aura frame maintains a stable connection with your mobile hotspot, providing reliable photo sharing for your family and friends.